Welcome back guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python tutorial series. In last lecture we saw how to change the height of an image only by keeping the width to its default value. Now this was the code we used in the previous lecture. Today what we'll do, we'll change the width of the image only by keeping the height to its original value. So let me create another Python file here in the same folder and name it width underscore constant dot py. Now I'm going to assign one constant value, so I have named it. You can name it anything. Now this is the code we are going to use today, this same code with some very minor changes. So let's copy paste this here. What I need to change the height to its default value. So how to do it? I'll write the variable name, then dot shape, and in square bracket I have to pass 0, because in previous lecture I told you 0 is top left corner, it represents height, and 1 is bottom right corner, it represents width. I have assigned 200 to width, a constant value. You can assign any value. Now let's run this and see what is the change. So you can see this is the displayed window, this is the original image, and then this is the resized image. Also you can see in bottom in console the height is same 540, the width has been reduced to 200 from 780. So this is how you can resize the width only by keeping the height constant. I hope this is very clear to all. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Keep practicing, keep programming, keep commenting. Thank you.